is no need laboring yourself. Just vote for me, and I will help you.
I thought you will hear of this. What?
I will vote for you. I will vote for you.
It's my motto, I say, also now my venza. To spend this money, no distress, some money we together. Papa, Coco.
Press it down. Press it.
Full time. My brother, you are welcome. What? Full time?
My brother, you are welcome. I promise to be with you forever.
What? You will move out of this house.
Oh, no me llamo,